God damn it. Oh! Fuck you! Fuck! Shit! Hello!
Hey.
Yo, I just almost got the P90 Asimov. Is like a takeaway. Bullshit. Yeah, go look at my thing and say hi in chat real quick, and I'll show you all the cases. It's real life right now.
Turning my computer off.
How awesome is that video?
That was freaking hilarious.
I know.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.
I have never seen a whiter person say the N-word.
I know, and they're saying Jesus is my nigga. So good.
By far the funniest thing.
Case 6, case 9. 3, 4, 5. Oh, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Okay, so we can have you open.
I think 10. This one's the 10th one.
Yeah.
Oh, you fuck yes! 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 Yo, we just got the butterfly knife.
Wait, you just got a butterfly?
I just got the butterfly knife! Ah! Get right! Woo! He said case 9.
No fucking way.
There's one video we can play for this. Just one. Fuck yes. Oh my fucking god. And I jizz in my pants. Only one song we play for this. Holy fuck.
I can't believe that.
Guess who told me to open that case?
Who?
Awesome McAwesome Pamps.
Oh my god.
Here we go. This is like the only video that I could show that is awesome. Holy fuck!
Holy shit!
Dude.
There's a butterfly Scorched. That's so tight.
How much is that? I don't fucking know. That's amazing. I don't care. It's a butterfly.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
I'm gonna loop this video just because that's fucking awesome. This is gonna loop like 10 times.
I can't believe you got that.
Woo!
It's like a $400 knife type thing.
That's fucking amazing. That's real life.